the next agenda, like guidance to the next upcoming students, those who are in 11 12 standard, what is your experience, what kind of coaching they should do? We have this Dakshana Foundation coaching, then nowadays Dakshana also gives online classes, then there are Khan academies. Now maybe we'll discuss on that matters, guiding guidance to the next those who are in 11th and 12th standards. And
Yeah, so first of all, we should have an idea. So I believe Hasnan is the right person to cover this part because he gone through the coachings and he has been a part of Dakshana, and he was also heading the team of Dakshana in IIT Kanpur. So yeah, I believe Hasnan can go over that part. Yeah,
yeah,
please, Hasnan.
Hasnan, please.
Surely, but the thing is, see, if you are in class 9, 10, 11, and 12, so I'll suggest you first made up your mind that you are going to IIT, and just make the target IIT. Because what happens, I mean, if you started you are preparing from IIT, you're going to face a lot of problems coming in your way. So the first thing is, I mean, you have to make up your mind that whatever happens, you're going to spend a lot of time in achieving what you are going to do. So I would suggest there are actually it's a benefit that there are a lot of opportunities actually in this journey. Actually, there are a lot of opportunities like Super 30 Dakshana. You must have heard about that. Super 30 Dakshana. That will aid your, I mean, that will make your way more easy. I mean, you can't just prepare for IIT being at home or being just in school, because it's not possible. If you're, it will make your way more harder if you won't join any coaching center or some sort of some center which will make your way more easy. You have to do it. I mean, this is an important thing. I guess the first thing is to join some coaching center, maybe in Delhi, Kota, or there are so many coaching centers in Jammu as well. You can go for Akash, Akash and Resonance and Alan, and there are a lot of I mean, this coaching centers. So this is the first thing you have to do. I mean, you have to get into a competitive center so that you could always check your rank and your performance with the rest of the students who are preparing for the same. Okay. So this Super 30 is actually is offering this 1 year free coaching after class 12th. I think Bashir Ahmed and Nasir, I think Nasir is not here. He will tell you more about this Super 30. I'm going to tell you about Dakshana. Dakshana is actually, they have started taking students from class 10th itself. Okay. You can give the Dakshana examination in class after class 10th. You just go and keep checking the website of Dakshana. It's dakshana.org, and always keep searching the updates. When is the exams? When is the application form? So that will benefit you. I mean, actually, it's free of everything. It's not just being free, free of cost. It's the environment in Dakshana and Super 30 is quite good. I mean, it's perfect. So you see, I mean, I haven't seen any IITian coming out from Kota itself. So there are a lot of, I know there are a lot of Ladakhis, Kargilis, and from students from Leh. They are studying in Kota itself, but the progress and the result is very, I mean, low. I haven't seen any in IIT. He has been preparing in Kota, and most of the students are coming from Super 30 and Dakshana. Why? Because the environment is perfect there. The environment means, I'm saying, the hostel system. In hostel, I mean, you always keep you're interacting with your fellow students 24 hours. That's what benefits your in your preparation always. There are lots of minds so you can just discuss anytime in these hostels. So if you're having problems at home, you can't do it on yourself when you are alone. So in these institutes, I mean, you can check yourself. Okay, so that's a good thing. I mean, the hostel thing is important in your life, just to prepare for JEE. So rather than being alone, okay. And the second thing is joining some coaching centers. Is, I already told you. I mean, so the third thing is always keep checking your rank with the rest of the country. You know, what's happening, where I'm standing actually. You have to keep testing your rank. It's not about, I mean, if you're first in, if your position is first in your class, it doesn't matter. There are 13 lakh people, 13 lakh students is competing with you. So how can you check your rank? You can just join, if you're not enrolled in some coaching center or something, you can enroll only for just testing, go into some coaching center and take some testing. And yeah, after 10th, exactly, there's a question after 10th. Yeah, actually, yeah, you can start preparing. Sir, for Dakshina test we have no to be a part of Navodaya or not? I don't understand the question. I think you are telling that after 10th I couldn't get into Dakshina or something. No, no, I'm not sure about that after 10th, but after class 12th, if you are not a Navodayan, then you can opt for the test actually. Yeah, that just opened this Dakshina for not only for Navodaya, other students. You can opt for it. So the thing is, I mean, yeah, let's keep checking your rank with the other students who are preparing for it. The third thing is always keep making strategy. I mean, in every part, I mean, making strategy. If you are lacking something in one subject, or suppose you are very good in maths, but you're lacking in chemistry or physics for 1 year. I mean, at least if you have 2 years of time, then you should try to balance your this what can I say, I mean, your balance your how you are standing in your subject. So keep balancing in every subject. If you're weak, so until if you have very less time, suppose you have only 3 or 4 months left for JEE, then again change your strategy. You can just focus on the subject on which you are very comfortable. You can make this thing. These things actually, I mean, these things are self-experience. These things you will get from if you are in some good colleges. Sorry, in good coaching center. These things you will get it with time. The important thing is the thing is to join some good coaching center or something. That's it. I mean, so very. I don't want to extend this thing. It will go on. For the thing is, I mean, the important thing is to join some coaching center, some hostel, so that so that it would make your way easy. So the one more thing I have to add is there's always a problem when we are preparing for JEE. There's a problem of being this demotivation. Demotivation is a big factor. Okay, so there's a one thing. I mean, we have ST, right? We have ST. This thing it will help you in your way, even in NITs and IITs. Okay, there are you will have great benefit over other students. So you can make it is your motivation. That I was when I was in my class 11 and 12th, I was very low in my performance with the other guys. So what I did, I make this ST my motivation. I always thought, yeah, what happens? I have this ST, so I'll go to good some sort of college. I'll get a good college. So you can make this thing as a motivation. So ST. So keep working on that. I mean, always be consistent and keep checking your, I mean, this rank with the other students. That will help you. Yeah. And the other thing is you can keep talking with keep talking with the students who have just passed, the first year students in IITs. It's very easy to talk to them, and we have IOL. There are lots of class first year students that you can talk to again. I mean, you can always keep asking them questions of what I have to do. That will help you. Or rather than my half an hour talk, I don't think so. It would help you. That's, you can just give a direction. You can just go to some coaching center. Then that's it. That's from my side. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Hasnan. Thank you very much for the detailed, in detailed explanation about the various coachings and particularly the Super 30. Even in JNK we have Super 30, and then this Dakshina and other like the importance of the proper mentoring. That's the key for the success. Even in the places like Bangalore, I've seen many schools they start IIT coaching at the age of at the class 7 onwards, 6, 7 onwards. So, and we are talking about like after 12th, most of the Ladakhis they do coaching after 12th. But here in Bangalore, on 7th standard onwards, the people they send their kids for the special classes, and then and they're coaching. So it's a competition we have, you have to face. So okay, thank you. And any other points, Tashi, Shabi, Nasir would like to add? Are you there? But I think we lost Shabir is there, right? Shabir, Bashir, sir.
Yeah. We are, I think, almost done. Hasnan has summarized it very beautifully.
Mm, mm,
Actually, the way he talked about importance of this coaching centers for preparation, for preparing these competitive exams, I think he talked about it beautifully. It's very important to join a coaching center. I also believe that. And Dakshina and Super 30 is doing a wonderful job in this direction. So
mm,
if anyone gets a chance to join these organization, or what we can say, these groups like Dakshina and Super 30, then do prepare for these exams. As Hassanan told, keep checking their websites and give the exams. So once you get admission into Dakshina, get a chance into Dakshina and Super 30, I think Dakshina is the best among these things. So if you get a admission to Dakshina, then you are almost there. Like you have to study for another 1 or 2 years, then you are almost there. Like you have already proved your brilliance and your potential to crack these exams. So do prepare for Dakshina, and keep checking other exams also, Super 30. If you don't get enrolled, or don't get admission into these two, then you can always go for other coaching centers, whether it's in Kota or any other Indian city. But as Hasnan told, again, I want to stress that you should have a particular focus. You should prepare in a directed manner. You should be very consistent with your preparation for all the 2 year. So just want to stress upon these things again, as Hasnan have summarized this thing beautifully. I think I have nothing else to add here, and we are almost end to this session. Uh, I'm hand getting, hand over to Kaka Tashi. So if you have anything else to add on this, then you can add. Otherwise, means from IOL team, we are almost done, I think.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, in the concluding, any remarks from Padma Tashi, like how preparation strategy for the youngsters?
Sorry for dropping off from the call. I had a technical glitch. So for the preparation thing, I would suggest you to just set one goal, set your aim, just like Hasnan said previously. Matlab, just follow three things. Okay, that is known as 3 Ds. So first of all, you have to dream about something, dream about some IIT, some branch, anything like that. Just dream. And then to fulfill your dreams, just follow the other 2 Ds, that is determination and then dedication. Yeah, so you'll have to be determined about your dream, and then work hard about that dream, and then dedicate yourself towards that dream. Then I believe that, yeah, you will probably be, would be able to, fulfill your dreams, and then you will be able to land in the your dream IIT and your dream branch. Yeah, that is all I want to add here. Just follow the 3Ds. That is dream, dedication, and determination. That is all I want to say.
Yeah. Thank you, Padmatashi. Thanks for your nice, putting in 3Ds. So that was very nice description. So I think it's a bit late now. So we'll conclude the session. And thank you very much. Thanks all the IOL team and those who have joined today, like Nisar Ali, and, Shabir Ahmad, then Padma Tashi, and Hasnan Mohammad, and many other all the IOL team. Initially, I said like they have really done very well in popularizing the importance of IIT preparation. So their social impact is quite high. We can see a lot of aspiring IITs, and many are in the IITs. So congratulations all of you, and please do this. Do keep the spirit, and then we hope to see more and more of the Ladakhis in the IITs. When together we'll try to bring this technical ecosystem in Ladakh, like the craze for technology, and particularly going to the very top colleges, that we'll try to make it more more reachable to the students. Many students, they are not aware. So we'll do more such programs, awareness program. And thank you all of you. And it was really very fruitful discussion. And also congratulations to all the Ladakhi students who have qualified in the IIT-JEE mains and advanced. And I hope all the seniors, they will help them to groom in their college, and then come up with the flying colors. And then finally we can see that most of you IITs, I know most of you are placed very well. So this tradition should continue. Then this should become a role model for the youngsters. Okay, we should try for IIT or try for top colleges, and that's the mantra we should have it. So thank you all of you. Thank you very much, and particularly that and Nasir Ali. He has taken a lot of pain in organizing this today webinar. So thank you all of you. Thanks, and good night.
I believe
Yeah,
Katashi, there is something in the chat.
one
Yeah.
question is there in the chat. Yeah, asking about introduction of Padma Dashi. He have forgot to introduce himself. So can you do it
Oh,
now?
I'm really sorry about that. So I am Padma Dashi, and I've completed my graduation from IIT, and I majored in aerospace engineering. And currently, I'm working as a software engineer at HSBC Pune. Yep, that's my introduction.
Yeah.
And yeah, one thing I want to add is, please feel free to catch up offline with any of us, me, Hassan, Bashir, and any of us. We'll be, more than happy to help you guys. So please
Actually,
feel free to contact us offline if you need it.
yeah, there's a one more thing to add. I mean, in this counseling things, it's very important to share it. I mean, it should be shared everywhere. Every year, there's a group in IOL in of class of first year and second year students from IITs and IITs. Actually, what happens? They are actually preparing everything for counseling students from Ladakh. But what happens? There are very few students coming up there. Actually, they are the main guys who know about IITs, about NITs, and they have their data and everything about colleges. But students are not able to reach them. Sir, you can just keep in mind that from next year onwards, please keep
Yeah.
the track of this thing.
Yeah, right.
Students should get benefit from the main students. I mean, the IITians and ITians and some other guys could just in one platform. It's been 2-3 years I've been observing that the students are not coming up with in this group. It's very important and very beneficial thing other than webinars and some other things, everything, this is very perfect. I mean, it's a on-to-on interaction between the student and the mentor. This could help many of the students in getting a good college and with a bad rank. I mean, good college, good branch, and everything. So this is very important. I mean, this should be the main conclusion of this webinar. That's it from IIL side. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other points? I think now we should end up now. Yeah, trigger Pala. Yeah, so much. Yeah, good night, then.
Oh,
Okay. Good night, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining the call.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You're consistently working for these things. I mean, we should always, I mean, thank you for everything, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep doing this work. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Good night.
Okay. Good night, all of you. Bye bye, guys.